kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 3 of Springmas. Hey y'all, hey, this is Lisa at home with Lisa. First, I want to thank Design with Emma and Lifestyle Designs with Teresa for tuning in with me on Springmas. So today, you all, it is day 3. And we have a special segment in day 3. We're going to do a spotlight section within our videos, and we're going to be recognizing someone who has been like ride or die, has been, great supporters for our channels. Of course, all of you all are great supporters, but we're just choosing one for this spotlight day on day 3 of Springmas. So today, you all, in this video, I am going to be creating a monogram floral arrangement, okay? And I'll let you guys see what I'm going to be working with, the items that I'm going to be choosing as well too. And also, before we get any further, if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so appreciative of you and so happy you decided to join in with me on today. And if you're returning, welcome back. We so appreciate your support. Now, don't forget, if you like this video, you like this type of content, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also leave some comments down below as well. And also, again, if this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? So y'all, Springmas is 5 days, April the 1st through the 5th. We will also be doing a drawing on day 5, but make sure you have been in the premieres and also make sure you check our community tabs as well too. All right, you guys, let's get into this monogram floral arrangement. All right, you all, so this is my monogram letter that I'm using. I'm using the letter S, okay? And what I have already done is I have already gone ahead and cut up my styrofoam inside here, because this is where I'm going to be using to add my florals in, okay? So I have different florals, as you can see. I have the colored ones over here, but I don't think I'm going to be using these because I want them to be open, and I've tried and these don't stay open. But there are some stems within this arrangement that I do want to utilize. And then I have lots of greenery here, and I have some baby's breast as well too. So this is what we're going to be utilizing to create our monogram floral arrangement. So I hope I have enough of these pieces inside the letter S to be able to create a beautiful floral arrangement with the letter S. So without further ado, I do have bushels, and what I'm going to do, and what is cheaper and most cost effective, is to purchase the bushels and then just clip the pieces off that you want to use. So I have learned that over the years that, it's more cost effective to do it that way versus just using a whole arrangement. Just clip the pieces off that you want to use. So these baby's breasts are really, really nice. I can't remember. I think I got these from Ashley's, but they're really, really pretty. So I do want to utilize those as well too. And like I said, this is a bushel. I will be clipping the stems off here. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get into making this monogram floral arrangement. Okay, so I'm going to be using these florals right here. I've already clipped them for time's sake. And I'm going to start adding them, and I try to spread them as much as I possibly can. So whatever I do at the top, I'm going to do at the bottom here to make sure we have some added symmetry. I'm gonna come through with the greenery to fill in some of the areas. I'm gonna come all the way down with this one. Well, let me go back up a little bit. take this one, the pink one, back a little bit more. Because I want the two of these in the middle. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. I just want to kind of spread them. Now also this Monogram S that I have, you guys, you can also use it to do like a, maybe like a fruit, a monogram fruit tray. You can also use it as like anything that you want to display. You could use it as a charcuterie as well too. I'm just pulling through my box here, trying to pick florals. And I want it to look full as it possibly can. And I want to make sure that I get it all the way down into the styrofoam so the roses don't, or the florals don't fall off. So now I want to take some of the baby's breast and I want to add them throughout as well. And the stem on this monogram floral arrangement, the stems can't be too long, you guys, because you don't want it hanging off. So I'm just gonna go through and add the baby's breast throughout the monogrammed letter. And then you just have to play around with it and, you know, just place them wherever you see fit. Let me see. So that's what I'm doing here, you guys. Enjoy the music as I place the baby's breast throughout. right, you guys, now it's time for our spotlight segment of this video. As you guys watch the spotlight, I'm going to go ahead and continue to stuff my monogrammed letter. Thank you all so much for tuning in on today. I hope you have enjoyed this video thus far, and also I hope you enjoyed our spotlight of boss lady Denise. If you're not familiar with her, please go over and check out her channel. I know you won't be disappointed. But here is how my monogram floral display or floral arrangement turned out. I think my florals, I think they're a little bit too big, because if you didn't see the S in the beginning, you really won't be able to tell that it is an S, but the display turned out beautifully. Let's take a look. Yes, it's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. But like I said, if you didn't see it in the beginning and saw the wooden S, you wouldn't be able to see it now. I think I'm going to try this again, just on my own time with some different florals. I think the florals need to be really, really small so you'll be able to see the letter S. But like I said, now with all of the florals in there, you really can't see the S. But anyway, it's a gorgeous piece and it's cute where I have it displayed at. And again, I thank you all so much for tuning in on day 3. Don't forget, if you missed Design with Emma or Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, please go back and check out their videos and give them a big like and leave them some comments. All right, you guys, we got 3 days down, so we have 2 more days left. So we will see you all on tomorrow. At Home with Lisa is signing off. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all tomorrow.
We at home with Lisa.